Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use fresh mint for tea. First, gather about 10 to 15 fresh mint leaves per cup you plan to make. Rinse them well under cool water to ensure they are clean. Then, gently bruise the leaves by rolling them between your fingers or lightly crushing them. This simple step helps release their wonderful aromatic oils, making your tea more flavorful and refreshing. Now, let's brew your delicious mint tea. Place the bruised mint leaves directly into your mug or teapot. Next, heat fresh water until it's just below a rolling boil, ideally around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is perfect for extracting the mint's essence without scalding the delicate leaves. Carefully pour the hot water over the mint, ensuring all the leaves are submerged. The steeping process is crucial for flavor. Let your mint tea steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you prefer a stronger, more robust mint flavor, steep it for the full 10 minutes or even a little longer. For a lighter, more subtle taste, 5 minutes should be perfect. You can strain the leaves out before drinking or leave them in for a continuous, gentle infusion as you enjoy your warm beverage. Finally, personalize your mint tea to your liking. A squeeze of fresh lemon or a teaspoon of honey can enhance the flavor beautifully. Don't hesitate to try different mint varieties, such as peppermint for a bolder taste or spearmint for a sweeter aroma. This versatile tea is wonderful served hot, but it's also incredibly refreshing when chilled and served over ice on a warm day. Enjoy your homemade mint tea.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.